Hello guys, welcome to my another vlog. Invitation of card design Santiago of the Sea. Yan guys, gumawa ako ng invitation with photo manipulation kay Dave Callan. Yan guys, bagong cartoon character si Santiago of the Sea. Yan guys, ginawa ko siya guys sa Photoshop. Yan guys yung process. Yan, para alam nyo kung paano. Nakapin yan guys. Ito yung pinoto manipulation ko. Pinatong ko siya guys. Pinintol. Yan. Yan, makikita nyo guys na malinis siya. Wala siyang, yan o. Oh. Yan. Si Dave. Naging siyang pirata. Yan, lahat yan guys pink para makita nyo guys yung process. You know, oh tol. Yan guys, please like and share and subscribe. Oh yes.